In a distant land called Uz, there lived a man named Job, a man of impeccable integrity and unwavering faith in God. He was blessed with abundant wealth, a large family, and a life filled with blessings. His herds covered vast lands, and his children were many. However, in the heavenly realms, a conversation took place between God and Satan. God praised Job's righteousness and unwavering faith, yet Satan challenged, saying that Job is faithful only because of his prosperous circumstances. God, confident in Job's character, allowed Satan to test him, but not harm him physically. In a series of devastating events, Job lost his livestock, his servants, and his 10 children to various calamities. Despite such catastrophic losses, Job maintained his faith, famously saying, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away, blessed be the name of the Lord." Satan, still unsatisfied, sought further permission from God to test Job's resolve. Permission granted, Satan afflicted Job with painful sores from head to toe. In his misery, Job sat among the ashes and scraped his wounds with broken pottery. His wife, seeing his suffering, questioned his integrity and suggested he curse God and die. However, Job rebuked her, affirming his faith. "Shall we accept good from God, and not trouble?" Across the days, 3 of Job's friends, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar, came to offer their solace, but their comfort turned to condemnation, insisting that Job's suffering must be due to some hidden sin. Job defended his righteousness and lamented that divine justice seemed elusive but never cursed God. In his lowest moments, only the voice of his steadfast faith echoed as he cried out to God for answers. Eventually, God spoke to Job out of a whirlwind, presenting the vast mysteries of creation and the universe, questioning Job's understanding of divine wisdom. Humbled by the encounter, Job recognized God's infinite wisdom and sovereignty, repenting for his earlier despair. Moved by Job's steadfastness, God restored his fortunes, granting him twice as much as he had before. His brothers and sisters returned to his side, sharing in a comforting feast. Job lived a long, full life, blessed with more children and seeing several generations of descendants. The story of Job teaches us that unwavering faith in God remains steadfast through trials and tribulations, for his wisdom and plans are far beyond the mortal understanding. Though he slay me, yet will I hope in him.